Meet Mr. Saeem, your friendly guide to English. He's here to make your journey into the world of English both fun and educational. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Saeem, and I'm so happy to be your English teacher. Together we will explore the wonders of the English language. Learning a new language can be a little scary, but don't worry, we'll have fun together. We'll play games, sing songs, and do activities that make learning enjoyable. My goal is to make learning English easy and enjoyable for you. We'll use stories, videos, and interactive lessons to help you understand and speak English confidently. I love to teach and help people communicate. Seeing my students succeed and grow gives me immense joy. It's important to me that you feel comfortable in my class. A positive and supportive environment is key to learning. We will learn together and help each other. Teamwork and collaboration are essential parts of our learning process. I believe that everyone can learn English. No matter your background or experience, you have the potential to succeed. With practice and a little patience, you'll be speaking and understanding English in no time. We'll celebrate every milestone together. Are you ready to begin this exciting journey with me? Let's dive into the world of English and discover its beauty and power. Let's start learning English together. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you will achieve. Why are you learning English? It's a good question. English is like a magic key that can open many doors. When you learn English, you can talk to people from different countries. Imagine making new friends from all over the world. Knowing English can help you get a better job. Many companies want people who speak English. You can also watch interesting movies and read exciting books in English. There's a whole world of entertainment waiting for you. Learning English is like building a house. You start with the foundation, brick by brick. Here are some simple tips to help you. Practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself, your friends, or your family. Watch English videos with subtitles. Movies, TV shows, and even cartoons can help. Listen to English music. Pay attention to the words and sing along. Read simple English books and stories. Start with topics you enjoy. Remember, every little bit of practice helps. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Section 4. Let's learn some English words. Today, we are going to dive into the basics of English vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this lesson is perfect for you. Ready to learn some English words? Let's get started with some common greetings that you can use in everyday conversations. Let's start with some basic greetings. These are the words you'll use to say hello and make a good first impression. Hello, this is how you say hi in English. It's a simple yet powerful word that can open up many conversations. Good morning. Say this when you see someone in the morning. It's a great way to start the day on a positive note. Good evening. Use this greeting at night. It's perfect for when you meet someone after the sun is set. Please. This is a polite word to use when you ask for something. It shows respect and makes your request sound more courteous. Thank you. Always say thank you when someone helps you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and gratitude. These are just a few examples of the many words you'll learn. Each word has its own unique use and context. We will learn many more words and phrases together. Stay tuned for more lessons and keep practicing to improve your English skills every day. Section 5. You can do it. Learning English is a journey, and like any adventure, it's filled with new discoveries and exciting challenges. Each lesson you take, each word you learn, is a step forward. It's not just about memorizing vocabulary or grammar rules. It's about immersing yourself in a new way of thinking and expressing. Embrace the process, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every mistake is a learning opportunity, and every success is a milestone. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to be fluent. Fluency comes with practice, patience, and persistence. It's okay to stumble and make errors. That's part of the learning curve. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal of speaking English confidently. Whether it's practicing with a friend, watching English movies, or writing a journal, each effort counts. Remember, I am here to support you every step of the way. Whenever you feel discouraged, think about how far you've come and how much you've achieved. Let's learn and grow together. Join hands with your classmates, share your experiences, and help each other out. Learning is more fun and effective when done together. For more fun English lessons and tips, visit my channel Speak Up with Saeem on YouTube. See you there. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, you can do it.